next thing we're going to do is add a material to it. Let's go back to materials and go back to fabric. Choose any one, but don't use the cardboard. And I just kind of like this one. I'll place it here, and you can see this very red. I don't want white to be this much red, so it's simple. I can just move it here and just adjust the colors. I can even scale the velvet down a little bit and up a little bit. You can see right. You can go to settings. It's not a carpet. Yeah, make it a carpet too. Let's change the bumpiness to. Okay, still looking good. No, it's like has like a fabric wool. Let's see. These all are carpets. Okay. Let's add this one. Not bad. Now, as you can see, we had created our handles here, but they are not to be visible around. So what we can do is head back to Revit and see what's the matter. There you are. Now we will isolate them. Isolate element, add it in place. No, yeah. So what we will do is make a handle. Okay, so for that we're gonna create an extrusion. For that we need to set up a plane, pick a plane. Okay, go to 3D. We are already in 3D. Pick this surface. Now hit this one and go to right. Let's see, 25. Yes. Okay, not bad at all. So only thing we need to do is add a void to it. So we're going to create void forms, void extrusion. For that we have to set up a plane. Make it -20 and +20. Okay, see, we did it. We created a head. Okay, not this one. Change the material to something ash. So wall surface. Okay, we will change it to brushed aluminium later. Once you did that, nope. Nope. Hit the plus, hit the control button. You will have a, you can select multiple items with that. There you go. Select food. You go here. Hit the copy multiple constraint. Remember, this goes here, here, and let's give it another one with here. Now again copy, select it, kind of like it that way. So copy it again, multiple constraint, remember. Hit the finish, go to Datasmith, synchronize, go to Twinmotion. Reset, synchronize to Twinmotion. Son of a, I hate myself. As you can see, a small mistake, like just a little bit of small mistake can cost you everything. Small mistake will cost you everything, like everything that you have worked for the last half an hour, I guess, for the last 1 hour. Anyways, it won't take me long to just replicate those. Let's start the surface. Go over in the wood, right? Even the plank, wooden planks. I will give the timestamp somewhere here so that you can just skip to the part and start designing again. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this so you don't have to wait. Now once we have edited these materials, let's go into objects, home, living room, decorations. Only T. The next thing that we're gonna do is add a blanket over here. Now if you can see, there are no options to add a blanket. Like seriously, there are no options to add a blanket. Although we can create one by ourselves. So for that we will need number one. Let's go to living room decorations and you will find carpets. Yeah, I know carpets. You heard it right, carpets. Just drag and drop one just here. Make it 90. We're gonna scale it little bit so that it fits. Now we're gonna reduce it a little bit. And we scale it just enough so that it fits, right? Then we're gonna reduce it again. Go here and just gonna reduce it. There you go. Okay, now once you have this, go to this one. Okay, rotate and hit here, type in 90. Your whole object will be rotated by 90 and then shrink it down. You don't need this much, right? You need a little bit of it. This much is fine. Almost looks good. Now once you did that, click here, go to this one, shift and move it this side. Okay, so you have already created one of it, so we don't need to create again. Just we need to place it here, the right. Gonna increase it little bit and okay, next thing we're gonna do is click on here, go to materials, add something, a blankety texture to it. Let's find a blankety texture. So let's find a something blankety texture. This one looks good. Wait, yeah. Just let's scale it up a little bit. Yeah, it totally does. It does actually. Yeah. The next thing we're gonna add are some chairs over here. All the accessories. Let's go to object, living room, chairs. Ending up fabric chair. Let's see. It has started to rain, so I'm gonna reduce my voice and you can follow the steps. Once you did that, the next thing you're gonna do is copy this and just drag it out. Okay, now we need back to the video. Put it down. This realize, and target is very fucking gorgeous. Click Alt A, do this, go inside, pick this one. See, forgot, right? So go here, it's done. See, up to the video, dial here. Select use, go here, shut this one, then put some pictures. Before that you can just select one wall. Just take a photo, okay. Open the chart, select it. If you want the video, click here. So we go here. Plus, click on create video. Now as you remove your camera, click on this plus icon. Then you reach your end, click on that. Now once you record it, hit this play button. You can see. You can play around with this. Then you can record different angles, conditions, anything. This here. Select your video and hit on start export. Your export will start. So this small bedroom interior designing video has been completed. There will be more projects coming in the future, so make sure to visit my channel to see what's the new project I'm working on. Thank you very much.